Well, as we're getting closer to the holidays, our friends at WiseCare have come up with another version of WiseCare. WiseCare 365. Last version was, I think, was 6.3.9. I couldn't get into their servers one morning, so I finally got in yesterday. Oh. So they're up to 6.4.1. There were some changes in the optimization. Again, we have another change. What's this? See, they have network speed up, optimized LAN connection, DNS, optimized Ethernet card performance. That's going to take off the offload. So use the network processor unit instead of your CPU and your computer. It's mostly old school. And SSD, disable that because you have SSD in the machine. Oh yeah, my background looks like this in the background. Looks kind of cool, huh? Yeah. Some people have animated stuff, but I want full power. Right now, this PC is running full power. Not at all. Well, so I'm just letting you know there's a newer version out. Let's see, PC checkup. If you don't know, you should go grab it. I'm sure they made some minor changes. This thing is like a virus lockdown protection. Anything can rewrite to the registry. That's what it's for. But it's gonna slow down the PC. I know everybody has fast processors now. Well, technically speaking, it's all really the same. I know DDR5 is out. Most people are using DDR3. Well, software has to take advantage of different processors and stuff like that. But anyway, oh yeah, Google Chrome is running here. Why? Yeah, I'll have to close it. Oh, by the way, to access my other channels, these are down here. This is the logo I came up with. That's pretty cool, huh? So each one stands for what I'm doing. Like R would be Reiki, and then I have little things on the side. C is a coach. Yes, it's a coach channel. If you need help in dating and life situation, motivation. Yeah, that's. I know you see two C's. One is chef. It's actually what the chef channel is. Well, yeah, it was easy to do that. Then we have ASMR Hospital. I run a hospital online. Well, yeah, it's role play, but it's pretty interesting. That's what the H stands for. If you need to relax, that's what that ASMR. People need certain sounds to relax, so fall asleep. Then we have the chef. So if you like cooking, you want to lose some weight, have a nice, easy to make soup recipe. Excellent for losing weight. So you can check out that one. Solar. Well, I don't know. It was popular when we all were home when the virus first came. Everybody was home. But that solar car that's coming out, well, it's an EV with solar panels built in. I already have solar panel on that, so on mine, but I don't have it like that. Do save on using the alternator because the alternator more gas for the alternator to be used. Trying to so I have a solar panel for that. It's a long story, but you gotta watch that. And then we have music channel, and we have an enlightened meditation music. This is an old channel I had. Okay. And then we have the enlightened. I can't get in there, as I always have to change the logo because I was on a different ISP, internet service provider. And somehow the password. Now, if I had access to those computers, then I could get into that. Unfortunately, I don't know what the password is. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, so this is E. E stands for enlightened meditation music. So we have some cool things on there too. We have oceans, natural ocean, creek, water, brook, waterfall, video. So if you need to relax to that, then it's just like what do you call it? Natural sounds. And we have sleeping if you have trouble sleeping. So that's what that's for. There's another one. I don't. It's not here. It's gonna be called Albert Ashton's voice. Now, now you said, gee, what's that one about? That I do mimic. I imitate characters. Yeah, I did a pretty good job. I don't know. I guess I didn't add that one there. Still a work in progress, and I still have to do a couple of things to it before I actually release it to the masses. There's no game channel, so the tech channel will have the game. So for those who play War of Tank Blitz and Star Trek Online, um, we just put it in here. It's easier for me. It's very hard to maintain another channel for that stuff. That's like a full-time job almost. Now, I see you guys like the Acer, so we'll have more on the Acer. Acer laptop can run World of Tank Blitz. I run it at full power. I had to change the keyboard out though. I had another keyboard. Anyway, that's another story. Um, but that's about it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget, yeah, you can download your version. You just go to WiseCare. I don't know. The updates. Well, we can. Let's go there. We can go check them out. Oops. That's odd. When I went there, it was different. Okay. So 6.41. All this guy needs to do is merge with Windows, get Microsoft to incorporate the utility, and then have it run smart so we don't have to interact. I don't know. They will never do it. Oh, they have a X giveaway? I don't know about that. So you just click on download to get the free one. Oh my goodness, it's going to download again. They give me a lot of free programs. So some of the programs I don't use. I was this one. Playing around with this. See, this is like one of the companies that used to make a lot of programs. There was used to make, one time there were a lot of these online. A lot of it's gone now, and things have changed. Oh, that looks pretty neat. Look at that. I'm getting fancy. Which laptop is that? It's thin. Windows 11 and 10. Nobody's using 8 and 7 in Vista. I guess he doesn't understand. That looks pretty neat. Huh. Now, see, you can download the image, but it's a way to get around that. I should teach you these things. See, it goes to my OneDrive. Oh, this is another program that's available. This program's been around for years. Well, if you don't want to use Photoshop, this is another program to use. There's a lot of free programs out there. There's a GIMP or something like that. It's like Photoshop, but it's a little complicated. I don't want it too complicated. I want it just easy to use. Something, you know. And this one too is the one they use for those of you who are using World of Tank Blitz. You know, you can, but you need Steam to get into the folder. Well, it's to change. You can make your own tank. Um, change the garage, change the tank skin. I'm gonna tell you now, it's not easy. They have plugins for this, for that to happen. But you need to join another company to get access to their programming tool, which is not free. It's free, but you need to join. You have to make up a fictitious company, and once you get all that, then you can start making your own graphic. But whatever you make for that game, nobody else is gonna see it because only you're gonna see it all unless you do a video. See? So this is ready. This one could be used. What would I use this for? Use it for a thumbnail. Let's see. I make all my screens. Oh, there you go. See? Something must be. The only problem with this is to make fancy logos, you can go to Cool Text and use that generator to make fancy logos. Or you don't want to go that route. I'm just going to create a template. I normally don't create a template for this stuff because it keeps changing. There's a waste here, 365. I know it's crooked, but I can fix that. I can change the color of the text too, but I don't like it. Okay, so what is this? Version 6.1? So, version 6.4.1. There you go, see? That's it. And we'll save it. That's the other channel I run as well. What's this? And that's it. Boom. Nope. So now you see how it's done. Okay. So I'll put that's the thumbnail for this. I used to do all these. It's very time consuming. You know, there's more videos. There's a lot of videos on this channel. You click on the videos, and you can see all the videos. I try to put them in categories. And there's shorts and there's playlists. You know, a lot of stuff is here. Hopefully next year will be better, and I'll be able to buy stuff, and we can review them. Because I know the other channels similar to mine, they get a lot of stuff. Ad revenue too helps. We can get the channel up to 1,000. We got 144 subscribers. I mean, in the beginning, I didn't really care about all this. I didn't care about the subscription and all that stuff. But now I do, because otherwise, you know, it gets done. We have 56,000 reviews. It's okay. You can subscribe. I'm not gonna pressure you. That's why most of the videos don't have it in there. Okay, so we have videos like this. This is videos made on a computer, on another device, and then we have these screen captions.
All right, this
Okay,
is
hey, thanks for watching the video.
part 2
maybe
of
I'll
the Acer
come up with
laptop.
something before
I had to
Christmas.
take
But,
apart
yeah, I'll make an announcement.
the keyboard
All right. Sure, you
because
subscribe.
the way they
And
have
that's
it,
about
you
it.
can connect
Oh yeah, the other
the
program is
ribbons.
called Paint.
It was a
That's
nightmare,
why
so
I'm-
I took it apart. I still have to get the
There's
keyboard
nothing
connected,
to it. It's very
but I
simple
got the
to
power
use.
on, and I